Can you believe that donkey meat is now as expensive as the priciest beef in the world? So, what has made China the golden market for this unique product? Let's uncover the mystery behind the massive donkey farms and the process of transporting them to processing plants in this populous nation. The demand for donkey meat in China, accounting for 70% of global production, has made the country the largest market in the world. To meet this demand, the donkey farming industry in China has experienced significant growth, with millions of donkeys imported each year from neighboring countries like Mongolia, Kazakhstan, and Pakistan. Similar to the transportation of sheep, selecting the appropriate truck for transporting donkeys is crucial in the farming process. The truck must be spacious enough to comfortably carry the entire herd of donkeys to the meat processing facility. Inside donkey meat processing plants in China, the processing and packaging procedures are conducted scientifically and efficiently. Donkeys are brought into the plant and undergo precise processing. The skin is removed using advanced machinery. This process meets the diverse demands of the market. Finally, the donkey meat is carefully packaged in plastic bags or carton boxes, enhancing storage capability and readiness for distribution. Donkey meat is not only an important source of protein, but also offers various other benefits. Compared to beef, donkey meat has a higher protein content and is rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. This makes donkey meat a preferred choice for those seeking a diverse nutritional source. Leave a number 1 if you want to enjoy the delicious tastes of donkey meat. Donkey skin is not just a worthless byproduct. It is used to produce gelatin, a traditional Chinese medicine with various pharmacological effects, such as treating joint pain, arthritis, menstrual cramps, and high blood pressure. This represents an innovative way to utilize every part of the donkey, minimizing waste and maximizing value. According to data from the United States Department of Agriculture, the average price of donkey meat in China was $1.8 per pound in January 2024. Older, larger, and healthier donkeys often have higher value, with prices ranging from $1,000 to $55,000 per donkey. This creates a diverse and complex market for donkey farming. The largest donkey farm is located in western China. covering approximately 24,710 acres and housing around 1 million donkeys. This farm plays a crucial role in the donkey farming industry. Have developed various breeding methods suited to the donkey's intended use. Donkeys raised for meat production are typically kept in enclosed barns and fed grass, straw, and concentrated feed. Leave a number 1 if you want to own a large-scale donkey farm. Are you curious about donkey breeding methods? Here, a team of skilled veterinarians, animal scientists, and agricultural experts closely monitor the reproductive process. Artificial insemination and selective breeding are common practices to ensure quality and desirable traits. Donkeys have a gestation period of up to a year, with an average of 368 days, meaning they typically reproduce only once a year. Newborn donkeys usually weigh between 18 and 25 pounds. From birth to 4 months old, they rely entirely on their mother's milk for nourishment and growth. After 1 year, donkeys are weaned from their mother's milk to ensure their health and sustainable growth. They are provided with adequate food, such as hay and leaves, along with additional nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to support their overall development. Donkeys are kept in spacious, sheltered enclosures to protect them from weather elements, especially the hot sun. Regular cleaning helps remove parasites and prevent diseases, ensuring their coats remain clean and healthy. They are also bathed frequently to keep their fur shiny and in good condition. Meanwhile, donkeys used for transporting goods and tourism are typically raised freely, grazing on natural vegetation and drinking water from rivers and streams. Hoof care is a crucial part of maintaining the health and comfort of the donkeys. Their hooves are trimmed regularly, typically every 4 to 6 weeks, to ensure they don't cause any difficulty for the donkeys when moving. Hoof trimming tools need to be carefully prepared, including hoof nippers, files, and tape. Each tool plays a vital role in ensuring the comfort and safety of the donkey during hoof care. Trimming should be done carefully, following the natural shape of the hoof and avoiding cutting too short or too deep. The goal is to keep the hooves neat and unobstructed to the donkey's movement. Have you ever been enchanted by the rich, creamy taste of goat milk? Join me in exploring a modern goat milk processing plant where each goat is meticulously cared for and connected to automatic milking equipment, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. After harvesting the finest liters of goat milk, the milk is processed into delicious, creamy, and nutritious cheeses. Goat milk isn't just processed into cheese, it also undergoes a pasteurization process to create pure and delicious milk bottles. This process ensures that goat milk maintains its quality and delicate taste. Many have commented that goat meat is more flavorful than lamb meat, and it's very suitable for those on a diet. Join us to witness what happens in a modern factory. Here, the processing process includes cleaning, cutting, and packaging, all done through automated systems. This ensures the maintenance of the highest hygiene standards and produces high-quality goat meat products to serve consumers. Join me as we explore the cashmere goat farms of Mongolian farmers. Did you know cashmere goats originate from the cold highlands of Central Asia? They are animals well adapted to harsh weather conditions, where temperatures can fluctuate from -40 to above 40 degrees. The care process for cashmere goats starts with the young ones. During the period from 0 to 2 months, they typically receive mother's milk and require adequate supplementation of nutrients to support their development. Nutrition plays an important role in the growth and quality of cashmere goat hair. The diet needs to provide adequate protein, energy, minerals, and vitamins until the goat is 6 months old to ensure health and wool quality. Every day, the cashmere goat herd is set free to roam on vast plateaus. Engaging in activities on the grasslands not only helps strengthen their muscles and skeletal system, boosting their health, but also contributes positively to the quality of cashmere wool. During the period from 1 to 2 years old, cashmere goats undergo a crucial maturation process, especially concerning the length of development of cashmere wool. The harvesting process requires precision and gentleness, employing specialized techniques to ensure no harm to the goat's skin and maintain the top-notch quality of the wool layer. In the spring, the long and fine fibers naturally start shedding from the goat's undercoat, marking the end of the harsh winter. Previously, Mongolian people often used wooden combs to comb the goat's wool. Nowadays, standard metal combs have gradually replaced this traditional method. They always ensure that the cashmere wool harvesting process not only yields the best wool quality, but also ensures comfort and no harm to the goats. After cashmere wool is harvested, a meticulous care process begins to ensure the best quality for the final product. First, the fibers are sorted by quality and length, ensuring that only the finest fibers are used. Through a professional processing procedure involving cleaning, styling, and other steps, each cashmere fiber is meticulously handled to ensure top quality, resulting in high-quality products. There are over 100 different horse breeds in the world, each with its own unique appearance, size, and temperament. However, do you know which horse breed is considered the most beautiful in the world? That would be the Akal Teke horse breed, originating from Turkmenistan. Over time, this horse breed has become a symbol of Turkmenistan and is considered a national treasure, as depicted on the coat of arms and on their currency. This place is home to some of the rarest purebred horses in the world, cared for by the most professional and dedicated team, with the sole goal of producing the best racing horses. With an estimated value of up to $2 billion, the Akal Teke horses make anyone who sets foot here feel overwhelmed. Spanning over 2,400 hectares, the estate boasts modern and well-equipped stables, spacious training grounds, a professional staff, and a strict security system, all creating a perfect environment for these valuable horses. What makes Akal Teke horses so valuable? Stay tuned until the end to discover the answer in the final part of the video. Akal Teke horses are renowned for their exceptional performance in prestigious races, with each horse being a treasure. Please leave number 1 and join me to learn about the luxurious and classy world of million-dollar horses. The name of this breed originates from the Ahal Plain and the Teke tribe, which are names of the geographical areas and the tribe residing in this region. These horses are famous for their average speed of about 56 kilometers an hour, making the Akhal-Teke one of the fastest horse breeds in the world. Moreover, they're renowned for their intelligence and endurance, making them a popular breed for long-distance races. They are also known as golden horses. Today, these horses are bred across the globe, not only in Turkmenistan, but also in Russia, Central Asia, Europe, America, Uruguay, and Australia. The Akhal-Teke horses have a medium size, typically ranging from 144 to 160 centimeters tall at the withers, and usually weighing from 400 to 500 kilograms. Their coat comes in various colors, including brown, black, and gold, with a unique metallic sheen that creates a distinctive golden effect. Horses with golden white coats appear as if they're coated in silver, exhibiting a marvelous natural beauty that greatly appeals to true horse enthusiasts. There is a belief that these horses sweat red like blood. Is this accurate? In fact, when they run at high speeds, the skin on their necks appears almost translucent, making the blood vessels more visible to the point that when they sweat, their fur becomes darker, giving viewers the impression of blood flowing. For them, these horses are crucial. They're their livelihood, so they breed horses by selective breeding and maintaining their pedigree. Like most other breeds unable to thrive in confined environments, Akhal-Teke horses are primarily pastured in large areas to allow them to move and roam freely. However, nowadays, these horses are kept outdoors during the day and in stables at night. At the racehorse farms, each Akhal-Teke horse is segregated into separate areas for easy care and training, limiting the concentration of too many horses in one place to prevent injury and conflict. They are fed with a high-protein diet, including alfalfa grass, lamb fat pellets, eggs, oats, and wheat bread to build a strong body, which is also considered a healthy diet for racehorses, ensuring clean drinking water. They need to drink at least 5 liters of water per day. A consistent source of food and water also helps prevent intestinal diseases for the horses. As one of the rarest horse breeds in the world, this horse can fetch prices of up to $100,000 US, depending on factors such as lineage, level of training, and age. Additionally, their scarcity contributes significantly to their higher prices compared to many other horse breeds. Join me in exploring the special breed of long-haired livestock with long horns and red coats, commonly known as the gentle giants of Scotland. Explore the long-haired cattle farms in Scotland. These farms specialize in raising long-haired livestock with distinctive, long, curly horns that could come in various colors, including red, black, dark brown, yellow, and white. This long-haired livestock breed originates from the Highlands and Outer Islands of Scotland and appeared in the early 6th century. Nowadays, they can also be found throughout southern Scotland and other regions of Europe, as well as in Australia, North America, and South America. The long-haired cattle have the ability to adapt to the highland conditions of Scotland, their coats being a dual-layer reality. The outer layer is coated with shiny fur, and their hair is the longest of any livestock breed, covering another layer of fur. The especially long coat helps them stay warm in winter, protects their eyes from flies, and contributes to their renowned beauty. Bulls can weigh up to 800 kilograms, and cows can weigh up to 500, with their milk often having a high fat content. Due to their long hair, it can become coarse and tangled, so farm owners often care for and brush them daily. That's why their coats always remain soft and clean. Brushing is also a method of massage to help the cows feel comfortable. These cattle are typically not bred for milk production. The primary objective of livestock farming is to produce meat. Their meat is lean, but often marbled, often regarded as high-quality beef. Scottish Highland long-haired beef commands a high price due to its tender texture, rich flavor, and high protein content. Many experiments conducted in Scotland have shown that beef has less fat and cholesterol than chicken, and also has a high iron content.
What method are you using for watering and pesticide application to your crops? In Hungary, a Kamov Ka-26 helicopter is undertaking a crucial mission: aerial pesticide spraying to safeguard crops and optimize agricultural yield. The technological innovation of this equipment, combined with its adaptability to diverse terrains and so more, has created an artistic portrayal of modern agriculture. This helicopter not only showcases advancements in crop protection, but also plays a pivotal role in promoting efficient and sustainable agricultural production. Thanks to the continuous advancement of technology, pesticide spraying equipment is becoming increasingly intelligent, convenient, and effective in controlling pests and safeguarding crops against harmful agents. Modern pesticide sprayers are equipped with automated control systems and GPS positioning, allowing precise location determination and adjustment of spraying dosage at each point. This not only conserves resources and materials, but minimizes negative environmental impacts. High-pressure technology is utilized for fine and uniform spraying, ensuring even distribution of pesticides on crop surfaces. Have you ever wondered about the fate of the giant pumpkins after the fair ended? Let's follow the ending of this giant 975-pound monster. We took on this monster with a Ventrac 4500 tractor, equipped with a range of accessories including trenchers, earth movers, stump grinders, and of course, snow blowers. The giant pumpkin was quickly cut into pieces, and notably, they will convert into nutrient-rich fertilizers for green lawns.
Maybe go over it twice in the Ventrac.
Next up is the Ventrac 4520P brush mowing, an exceptional tool for cutting and trimming grass and dense vegetation. Engineered for robust and efficient operation, this grass-cutting machine is capable of clearing and trimming various types of grass and thick vegetation on different surfaces. With the front wheel system's flexibility, the Ventrac 4520P can easily maneuver through hard-to-reach areas without causing harm to the grass and soil. Equipped with a high-quality cutting deck, this grass-cutting machine ensures smooth and consistent cutting, regardless of the type of grass or dense vegetation you're dealing with. The advanced control system allows you to adjust the cutting height and speed as desired, ensuring precise and aesthetically pleasing cutting results. Dennis Bork, a dedicated and innovative farmer, has employed a unique method to tackle weeds in his fields. He utilized a series of 15,000-volt electric charges to combat the unwanted vegetation, and his approach is truly surprising. Instead of relying on chemicals or strenuous manual labor, he placed electrified rods into the weeds. When the current passes through these rods, the weeds are efficiently and safely eliminated. This method not only saves time and effort, but also enhances the overall effectiveness of the field cleaning process. It showcases Dennis Bork's innovative spirit and modern agricultural mindset in addressing challenges within the agricultural industry. Asa Lift, a specialized manufacturer of fruit and vegetable harvesting machinery, has crafted a remarkable feat of technology with their impressive red cabbage harvester. Aptly dubbed the Mobile Cabbage Factory, this colossal machine stands as a true testament to innovation. With its two sophisticated harvesting heads, it delicately lifts the fragile red cabbage plants from the ground and then elegantly transfers them into storage boxes for long-term preservation. Through this operation, AceLift has granted growers the ability to relish fresh and delicious produce even in the icy grip of winter. This marks a significant leap in optimizing the harvesting process and delivering genuine value to both agriculture and consumers. Automation is driving the development of agriculture. These robots can work tirelessly, ensuring non-stop operation throughout the entire production process. The Massey Ferguson 7S 190 tractor, equipped with a powerful engine and advanced technology, provides the necessary power and control to efficiently operate the Grimm KS600 bed topper. The Grimm KS600 bed topper is an advanced device designed to remove unwanted vegetation from potato beds. It delicately eliminates excess plant parts like weeds and unnecessary growth, ensuring that the potato plants receive the nutrients and resources needed to thrive. By combining these two pieces of equipment, farmers can achieve precise and consistent potato topping results. These tools not only save time and labor, but also contribute to the overall quality of the potato harvest. Join us in marveling at the exceptional power of this steel beast. The Ploger AR4BX has demonstrated efficiency and convenience in potato harvesting. With its automated operation and swift working speed, this colossal machine has significantly reduced labor and time in the harvesting process. Capable of harvesting 4 rows of potatoes simultaneously, this machine optimizes harvesting operations and greatly shortens the time required. Integrated trimming and weed disposal systems help keep the harvesting area clean, enhancing work efficiency. The adjustability of harvesting depth and machine speed ensures the potatoes are harvested carefully and remain undamaged. The modernity and automation of the AR4BX not only boost productivity during the harvesting process, but also minimize labor and resource expenses. The Poots Irrigation Association conducted an irrigation system adjustment by relocating the main pipes to a depth of 1.25 meters below the ground surface. This was aimed at improving irrigation efficiency and ensuring the most effective water supply to the crops. With this equipment, they can easily modify the pipeline system, thereby creating a stable and sustainable irrigation system. This adjustment not only aids in water conservation, but also ensures an adequate water supply to the crops during crucial periods. Operating in a lush green field of oilseed rape, the A. Mastenbroek 3020 drainage trencher, along with the CT12 gravel cart, is skillfully maneuvered by the DMJ Drainage to install a crucial drainage system. This is an impressive achievement of modern agricultural machinery. The advanced design of the A. Mastenbroek 3020 drainage trencher effortlessly creates precise drainage trenches with accuracy and speed. As it smoothly moves across the oilseed rape field, its cutting-edge technology ensures minimal disruption to the surrounding crops, while effectively forming the necessary water drainage pathways to remove excess water. Simultaneously, the CT12 gravel cart closely follows, depositing the necessary gravel into the freshly dug trenches, further enhancing the efficiency of the drainage system.
Compared to other livestock, sheep easily adapt to weather conditions. Additionally, sheep farming requires less labor. The initial seed source is cheap and can be increased quickly. Sheep farming is one of the key industries that brings high economic profits every year. Billions of dollars are earned annually through sheep farming and wool production. Farmers stay with the fields through different stages, from lambs to adult sheep. Do you know when the best time for sheep farming is? March to April is the peak season in the sheep industry. This is definitely a very busy time on the farm. For sheep breeding, there are two main methods: natural breeding and artificial insemination. The natural method involves introducing a male sheep into a group of females, and then the male will naturally seek out and mate with females capable of reproduction. After the breeding process, most lambs are vaccinated, marked, and have their tails docked before they reach 1 week old. Careful care will ensure that both the mother sheep and their lambs are out in the fields as quickly as possible. This way, the lambs will have the best opportunity to develop immunity and grow strong. The weaning of lambs is also taking place as grass becomes more nutritious than milk, as sheep grow older and tend to eat more grass. They face many health challenges, and vaccination is often necessary to protect against common diseases. Please leave number 1 if you find these sheep interesting. On the farm, raising livestock requires farmers to select sheep breeds suitable for local climate and soil conditions. Similar to other types of livestock, sheep farming entails farmers constructing safe and hygienic shelters, providing sufficient food and water, and preventing diseases. Large farms typically own around 25,000 to 54,000 sheep, predominantly grazing on green grasslands on hillsides. Additionally, alongside large-scale farms, there's a strong development of small private family farms with an average of about 5,000 to 11,000 sheep. In addition to sheep farms, farmers also utilize dogs to herd their flocks of sheep. To harvest sheep's wool, farmers typically perform hand shearing or use electric shears. The timing of wool harvesting depends on the season and the frequency of sheep farming. Usually, wool is harvested in spring or summer when it is the longest and softest. Sheep's wool can also feel quite warm, as you can imagine if you've ever worn a wool sweater in the summer. Therefore, shearing is an extremely necessary activity to prepare sheep to cope with the scorching summer weather. However, on large farms, there's often a team of specialists for this job. Having knowledge and mastering the techniques is important to perform the task efficiently and quickly without compromising the health of the animals. Each sheep can produce between 1 to 3 pounds of fine wool and between 2 to 3 pounds of thick wool, depending on the specific characteristics of the fleece. Shearing sheep is a labor-intensive task that requires skill. Sheep are typically sheared using electric clippers, similar to the hair clippers you see at the barber shop. A skilled shearer will produce a work of art, delicately cutting the entire fleece of the sheep without causing harm and completing the task in about 2 minutes. There are several reasons why we need to pay attention to the sheep's skin. Firstly, shearing can cause unnecessary pain to the animals that farmers want to avoid. Secondly, wounds on the animal can inhibit the growth of wool in the future. Thirdly, this slows down the shearing process, resulting in a less efficient process. To sort out unwanted dead skin and short wool fibers, workers employ specialized techniques during the sorting process. Would you like to delve into the details of their wool sorting process? A common solution is to lay the wool, with the underside facing up, on a specially designed table for this task, featuring wooden bars with a width of 4 centimeters. The spacing between the bars helps minimize waste falling onto the floor as much as possible, while still keeping the edges of the wool containing the least amount of dust and sweat. To obtain clean wool before dyeing, the workers will move the wool through a production chain for cleaning to ensure the final material before entering the dyeing stage. Factories receive about 8,000 kilograms of freshly sheared wool from around the world every day, and the wool is compressed and sent to the factory. Each year, sheep worldwide produce 2 to 3 million tons of wool, making it a material with excellent properties. After the wool is sheared, sheep are supplemented with various nutrients in their diet to ensure their health and promote the growth of their next wool. This directly contributes to the nutritional status and good health of the sheep. Next, join me as we venture into a modern sheep meat processing plant. Upon arrival at the plant, the sheep are processed and unnecessary parts such as skin, wool, stomach, liver, intestines, heart, lungs, etc. are removed. Then the meat is cut and separated into smaller pieces of various sizes and shapes to meet customer requirements. Subsequently, the meat is sorted by type and packaged into various packaging materials such as cardboard boxes, nylon bags, paper wraps, etc., before being stored and transported to retail outlets or supermarkets for consumption. Throughout this process, the plant must ensure standards of food safety, preservation, and transportation to guarantee the highest product quality.
Unique creativity. That's the phrase I use to describe this pesticide sprayer. What about you? If you had to use just one word to express your impression of it, what word would you use? I truly admire these talented inventors because, thanks to them, work in agriculture has become simpler and more convenient than ever. Imagine, with this seed planter, switching between different crops has become easier than ever. You need to adjust a few technical parameters and the machine will automatically adapt to plant seeds perfectly for each crop type. This not only saves time but also optimizes the astonishing agricultural performance. This seed planter is not just a simple tool, but an exquisite engineering masterpiece, an outstanding combination of intelligent design and modern features. In Western countries, self-propelled hose reels are often used for irrigation in agriculture.
What's unique about them is their ability to move and roll up the hose automatically, efficiently irrigating crops while saving resources. When the Dean's Haspel operates, it moves autonomously across the field, tackling one of the most labor-intensive tasks in agriculture. Winding the hose and pumping water ensures even and sufficient irrigation for the crops, meeting their water requirements. However, in Asian countries, they have developed their own methods for supplying water to crops. Let's explore how they do this. They can also use a large 22-inch pump pipe like this to pump water quickly and efficiently. The operator's high skills and unique creativity and combining excellent tools have transformed agricultural tasks from mundane to exciting adventures. A particular digging machine has been created through a distinctive combination of an iron plow and a motor. This farmer is undoubtedly an enthusiast of speed and innovation. The stoneless rock picker represents a significant breakthrough in agriculture, assisting farmers and land processors in tackling one of the most challenging tasks, removing rocks. This device is designed to reduce farmers' effort and time to remove stones from the ground. Instead of laborious and physically demanding work, the machine automatically collects and transfers gems to a separate compartment. This simplifies and saves time in rock selection and handling like never before. The creativity and efficiency of this machine not only bring outstanding benefits to the agricultural industry, but increases productivity and reduces working hours. Additionally, it minimizes damage to other agricultural equipment. The stoneless machine is not just a tool, it's an indispensable part of the technological revolution in agriculture, contributing to progress and sustainable development. Captain 200, an advanced and efficient agricultural device. Its innovative design and automatic adjustment capabilities helps farmers optimize the soil cultivation process. Equipped with advanced technology, this machine increases productivity and significantly reduces labor efforts. This is a significant step in improving agricultural efficiency and meeting the growing demand for food production. This homemade sprayer is the creation of Alex, a talented farmer. With 8 custom spray nozzles, the machine provides even and efficient coverage for crops while protecting them from harmful pests and weeds. The unique creativity in its design allows farmers to adjust the spraying intensity and direction flexibly, depending on the specific type of pesticide and crops. Looking for an efficient option for rice harvesting? Try using the Jashoda JT19 rice thresher. What's special about this machine is that it offers a unique and utterly different harvesting experience compared to traditional rice threshers. With safety being a top priority, all you need to do is place the rice bundles into the machine, and it will automatically carry out the threshing process, separating the rice grains from the plant. This process is fast, easy, and exceptionally convenient. Not only does it save you time, but it also creates a smooth and efficient harvesting experience. Let's continue discussing the excellence of these machines. The Case IH Quadtrac 580 and the Morrow MVP 30A form a powerful team for agricultural plowing and land preparation. It perfectly combines a robust tractor and a high-end soil processing device. The Quadtrac 580 is a superior quality tractor with a powerful engine and advanced steering system. Its stable operation on all terrains enhances the efficiency of plowing and land preparation processes. Mainly, the tractor's fuel-saving feature helps reduce cost and resource consumption. The Morrow MVP 30A plays a vital role in post-plowing soil processing. It smooths the soil, eliminates local irregularities, and prepares the ground for planting. This creates optimal conditions for crop growth and improves soil structure. Before your screen is the Spudnik 8908 Belt Potato Planter, representing a noteworthy innovation. This device is a perfect fusion of European technology and American craftsmanship to create an advanced potato planting machine. With its increased capacity and planting speed, it even has the capability to plant potato seeds without the need for prior cutting. The integration of this technology is a significant leap forward in agriculture. This machine not only provides optimal conditions for potato planting, but also ensures higher efficiency and time savings for farmers. The increased capacity and planting speed contribute to enhanced productivity in the potato planting process, making this task more efficient and less labor-intensive. Nova Scotia is renowned for producing high-quality potatoes, largely thanks to the region's favorable soil conditions and climate. The soil here is nutrient-rich and has an ideal pH for potato growth. The province's warm and temperate climate is also significant in ensuring robust potato development and achieving optimal ripeness. After a little over 3 months from planting, the harvesting process begins. Modern and advanced machinery is widely utilized to increase efficiency and optimize this process. These machines reduce farmers' labor and expedite the harvesting process, ensuring that potatoes are harvested efficiently and swiftly, ready to be delivered to the market and consumers. This also helps maintain the high quality of potatoes from the field to the dinner table. The 3-row Ferrari planter, with a liquid fertilizer supply system and electronic distribution device on the tomato crop, is a pinnacle of modern agricultural technology. Manufactured by the renowned Ferrari Planting Machinery Company, this equipment brings efficiency and precision to planting and fertilizing. This planter is designed with 3 rows for simultaneous planting, creating a series of evenly spaced slots for tomato plants. The integrated liquid fertilizer supply system directly feeds nutrients to the plants during planting. The electronic distribution device on the row ensures uniformity in fertilizer distribution, ensuring that the tomato plants receive the necessary nutrients. The combination of machinery technology and the precision of the liquid fertilizer supply system and electronic distribution device ensures that tomato plants are grown under optimal conditions to thrive and produce high-quality yields.
This is our channel. This is the channel manager. This is the video editor. And this is the content creator.